So today we're going to take a look at a company called Bulk, B-U-L-Q. If you'd like to type that into your browser, if you have access to a computer or a tablet and follow along, that might be the easiest way for you to get familiar with this site. Bulk I chose for a couple reasons to show you. It really is easy sourcing on any budget like they advertise. The sign up is relatively simple. They don't require a lot of information from you. It's not required that you have a sales tax exemption or anything. It's pretty straightforward, and their site's user friendly. So we're going to take a quick run through it today and show you some of the highlights of the site. So you can shop by category if you know what you're looking for: computers, electronics, toys, home and garden, etc. Or you can click right on the source now. It'll take you into the site and show you some of the available pallets or boxes. You can get either pallets or boxes from Bulk, which is also nice. Lower priced items will be on the boxes usually. And again, you have categories over here to select from. So you can pick up top or you can pick on the side with these drop-down menus. Something I like to search by is condition rather than the items at first. I like to pick new, although recently Bulk has less selection than they used to for their new items and merchandise. So now that we've selected the new tab, you can take a look at some of the products. These are books in these several categories. If you're an online bookseller, it might be a great thing for you. I don't have much success with books. This one here appears to be all the same book, and it is The Biblical Basis of Christian Counseling for People Helpers. So if you have a market to sell that, that's a great option for you. Books look like they're about $4.20 a piece, 64 pounds, so you have $30 shipping, $298. So if that's something that you're interested in, it's a relatively small priced bulk item. Let's move on and see what else they have to select from. Okay, this one says bedding bath. I'll take a look at this and show you some examples. Not a lot of photos. Mostly everything you can see is in a box. Coming from Lebanon, Tennessee, 41 items, $786. Now, if you log in, it will let you know right away the shipping price. We'll just use mine real quick here and sign in. Looks like $27.80 an item. So that's extremely high in my opinion for home items. For example, a kid's floor seat, a food processor, K-cup accessories, a kid's crib mattress, some bedding, glasses, things of that nature. Now, if you come back over here and take a look, say the Hamilton Beach food processor. It says the original retail is $69, and again, you're paying $27.80 an item. So there's not a great deal of markup in that once you handle it, list it. But if you click the ASIN, it shows you what Amazon's currently selling it for, which is $59. So it's a little inflated to say it's $69 retail when you can purchase it off of Amazon for less. So check your ASIN numbers in this category with the little blue links. They take you right to Amazon, and you'll be able to see what they're selling the product for. This one's currently out of stock on Amazon. And let's select the glasses here, the tea glasses. Again, it looks like they're all third-party sellers, but $29 on that similar listing. So when they have them at $44, again, it's a bit inflated. Bulk is notorious for inflating the value of their products, giving new sellers a false sense of what they're actually going to be able to sell it for on eBay. So we'll check a couple more items here. Looks like they're right about on the stroller, $19. That's what they're claiming on the manifest that it would cost. So there's another option, this pallet here. But again, it's inflated. That's a good deal of money to pay for 41 items. Unless you have a store or something, point of sale, these are mostly heavy items that are going to be costly to ship as well. So keep that in mind while you're looking, because Amazon offers free shipping. So if you want to compete there with some other eBay sellers that offer free shipping, you might want to consider that also. So you can add it to your watch list, see if that price drops a bit, put it into your cart and watch it either way if it's something you're interested in. So let's go back and select uninspected returns, which is a very big category on bulk. Most of their items are unexpected returns, and you'll see now we have 546 to choose from. The problem with that is returns are in the condition that the person returned it to the store in. There could be missing parts, something could be damaged or broken. Let's take these tablets here, for example. $2,400 for 24 tablets. So the quick math tells you they're about $100 a tablet. And again, they're uninspected returns. So is the box empty? Did someone remove the charging cords? Are there someone's information on that where you'll have to clear it off? And again, your markup is not that great. It's only about $800 from the original retail. So if you're looking for a great deal on 24 tablets that are used and know where you can sell them, great, but do not expect to compete with some of the prices on Amazon with the items being returned. So take a look at the manifest on this one. This first ASIN is showing $37.95 for the Samsung Galaxy cover. It's not the Galaxy itself, just the cover. So we go back, they're saying it's $69 retail. Again, inflating the original retail. Amazon has it for $39. So the Fire tablets themselves, $141, $149, and then you have this pair of sandals and a pair of boots. So keep in mind, this is going to be difficult to make back at this high per price item. It's already had one price drop at 15%. So again, if you want to pop it in your watch list, keep an eye on it, great. But again, not really the item that you might want to sell. So then another way to search on bulk, which is convenient, click on your source now. And instead of most recent, on this drop down here, hit price drops. And it'll pick things that have had sat on here for quite some time and their prices have dropped because no one wants to buy the pallet. So bulk wants rid of it, they dropped the price a bit. Let's take a look at the first one. It's one item, $30 plus shipping. It says original retail $891, but yet the price has dropped drastically because you're still paying freight of $413. And it seems that it's a piece of furniture. So, knowing bulk, the problem with this is, are the glass pieces smashed? Are the hinges in the box? Something broken on the wooden area? All the pieces intact? You just don't know. You can take a look through the photos. It looks like some box damage here. Really can't see much else on the item. And the uninspected returns, they're not going to guarantee when you receive it. If something's smashed, that's what you bought. You bought an uninspected return. You didn't buy new merchandise. So these are some of the things to look for when you're shopping on bulk. Again, you can search category, you can search condition, you can search what's newly added, lot size, the warehouse location even you can differentiate. And there's plenty of items, but the price point is usually very high on bulk. It used to be a very, very good source for me, but at this point, like I said, there's not many on here any longer that fit your needs. Now, if you keep an eye on it, sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll be able to find something that is just your niche that you need. This one's $3.98 an item. Take a look through and perhaps there'll be items in there. These plow and hearth candles, something that you think you might have good luck selling. Now, most recently, I had an experience with bulk. The item was marked new in its condition, but it arrived with the orange return tags on it, and there was a lot of items inside that were damaged and had cologne smell on them and things of that nature. And I'd contacted bulk, and they only partially refunded me. It was basically a salvage lot. So I did have some difficulties with their bulk promise, which I would read down here, where they manifest is their accurate manifest is guaranteed, or we'll make it right. Ultimately, they did not make it right. I had to contact the credit card company and dispute the charges to receive a refund several months later because it did arrive used when the category was titled new. So keep all of your information in case you ever have any challenges there. Again, I purchased probably 14 or 15 pallets in the past that were fine. It was just the most recent one. It seems their prices have gone up a bit and their quality's gone down. But that'll give you a quick rundown of bulk. Again, a great place if you're just starting out to maybe purchase some merchandise. But keep an eye out for the price drops. Keep an eye out at the price per items. Make sure to check the ASINs on your manifest to see if you're getting a good deal or not, and compare it to some of the retailer prices. They're not on every item, but you can find a few just to check it out. Like even on this one, it's Hearth Song Tree Swing, $12.98 is the retail. We'll click over to Amazon, just one final one for you. It's $14, so that's a fair price. So you can just give them a check, take a look at them, take your time. There's plenty of suppliers out there, plenty of merchandise to sell. And that will pretty much wrap up our tutorial of the bulk website. If you have any questions, either send them to me directly or put them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer everyone for you. They are good quality merchandise when you can find it in new condition. We have Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, a lot of good merchandise coming from bulk. It's just watch your price points because they can be a bit pricey. And again, thanks for watching, and the next video will be on another source for you as a reseller, large or small. We're hoping to answer all your questions here. And don't forget to like and save and share with someone else that might want to be a reseller. Thanks again for watching.